The audio guide in English was made during the Voice Your Place Curtea de Argeș 2024 workshops by the following teenagers: Odeta Andrei,
Ana Baciu,
Corina Badea,
Patricia Bădița,
Eduard Băiașu,
Raluca Ciolcă,
Maria Dinescu,
Ștefan Augustin Enache,
Mihnea Golea,
Raluca Grozavu,
Andra Ică,
Giulia Iorga,
Alexandra Leca,
Adelina Marin,
Lavinia Milcă,
Eliza Varvara Pepec,
Cristian Sechea,
Ingrid Sora,
Georgiana Stan,
Sara Ungureanu.
The audio guide was made during a series of workshops: Architecture Workshop with Irina Tavo and Alex Răuță, and Ana Porim and Alexandra Parpalo as volunteers. Soundscape Workshop with Maria Salomia. Creative Writing and Interview Workshop with Cristina Chira. Acting Workshop with Elena Medoia. The historical documentation for the monuments was provided by Mihai Manolescu and Raluca Grama. The texts were written by Cristina Chira and Irina Tavo. The audio guide stories were written by the participating teenagers in the creative writing workshop. Field recordings were made by teenagers during the Soundscape workshop, while the studio recordings took place in Radio de Argeș studio. Editing and mixing, Maria Salomia. Program creator and project coordinator, Irina Tavo. Voice Your Place Curtea de Argeș is a project of the Romanian Order of Architects, Argeș Territorial Branch. We are grateful to our partners, the Arhitectura Association, Nod Makerspace Association, and Curtea de Argeș Municipal Museum. The audio guide in English and the Voice Your Place Curtea de Argeș 2024 workshops were supported by the Romanian Order of Architects from the Architectural Stamp Duty. The audio guide in Romanian and Voice Your Place Curtea de Argeș 2023 Summer School were co-financed by Argeș County Council within the Call for Non-Refundable Funds for Youth, Culture and Environment 2023.